Hi everyone, Shan Raffel. I'd just like to talk to you about a workshop that I've got coming up at FDIC 2019. It's a half-day workshop. The subject is Reading the Fire and Street Smart Fire Dynamics. So my objective is that you will be presented with a proven, practical and time-tested method of simplifying the task of reading the fire and to make those decisions that need to be made in such a critically short time space. You'll also leave with a resource, a DVD. It's about 2.5 gigabytes. That's designed to allow you to refresh your memory. All the knowledge is there. And it's also designed for you to enable you to share this information with your colleagues. It's very important that we share the information that we're given. The method I'll be using will be to look at, firstly, a simple model of understanding fire dynamics. Now, fire dynamics is not a simple subject. It's extremely complex. But we don't have days or weeks to analyse the information. We've got seconds and we've got minutes. So we still must have a good underpinning knowledge of fire dynamics, but we have to distill it down into models that can quickly be recognised and then acted upon. Once we've covered these ideas, and I think you'll find some of them are unique, some of them you'll have heard before, but some will be pretty special, I think, and they're good, simple models that work for me and other people as well. So that's pretty important that it does work in a proven environment. Once we've done that, we'll look at the 4 or 5 behaviour indicators. That's smoke, air, heat and flame. This is a simple model that I've been working on for 20 years now, and I've been applying it in the field for 20 years. And not only have I been applying it, I decided early on to crowdsource it, to send it out to people that I respected and had a lot of knowledge in that area. And they gave me feedback, and some of it was brutally honest. But as a result of that, we've refined the model, and I'm always trying to make it simpler because we have to make decisions in very compressed time frames. So as part of that feedback from the crowdsourcing, I realised that we need to read the fire in the context of, firstly, the building. Different types of building constructions will show different types of fire behaviour indicators. So once again, building construction, massive subject. And you have to know the buildings in your area. But I can give you a model that will simplify it and help you to categorise those buildings into 3 types of fire behaviour that could be anticipated. Something else we've also added in is environmental factors. And this is primarily wind, and some of the research we've seen in the last couple of years has highlighted how critical the impact of wind direction and velocity can be on fire dynamics and fire behaviour. So in conclusion, I'd just like to say that I've put 20 years of my life into this project, and I've shared it with colleagues around the world, and it's been a great learning experience for me as well. I've still got 35 years of service behind me, and I'm still operational, still on the front line as an on-shift firefighter. So I've got a vested interest in getting better at this and passing the knowledge on. And my hope is that by sharing this information with you, that you can share it with your colleagues, and we can all contribute to making the fire ground a safer and more efficient place. So I hope to see you at FDIC 2019. Thank you.